evening, everybody, and today we're going to be making a ginger sweet potato and coconut milk stew with lentils. This recipe was recommended by Melissa, and you can get this recipe from themess.com. It's by a lady named Laura, and I will be linking where you can get the proper measurements down below, but we're just going to cook this up. Now you start with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and you melt that down into your pot, which I've done already, and then you're just going to add your yellow onions. Make sure your fire is on medium because you don't want anything burning. And you're just going to cook these onions for about 5 minutes or until soft and translucent. And just keep an eye on those because you do not want them to burn. Leave those alone for a couple minutes. And make sure you stir the onions occasionally because you don't want them to stick. But you also don't want to keep messing with them where they don't cook properly. Okay, it looks like the onions are now translucent and soft. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add your ginger and your garlic. And you're going to cook this up for about 1 minute. I think that's been about 1 minute. I wasn't really looking at the clock. But after that, you're going to add a pinch of salt. And you're going to add a pinch of pepper. You're going to stir that up. Now you're going to add your spices, which is chili flakes, cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Just going to stir that up in there. Give it about a minute. Alright, that is fragrant. Now we're going to add the sweet potatoes. And you're going to get them nice and covered with the mixture. We're going to add the lentils. Stir that around like so. Alright, so once you stir that, then you're going to add your vegetable stock. Pour that in. And now you're going to add your coconut milk. You're going to turn your fire up to high or, close to high, and let this come to a boil. This now has come to a boil, so now that it's boiling, what you want to do is turn it down to a simmer. So turn it on low medium and the liquid should reduce by 1/3, I think. Follow the recipe. The liquid's going to reduce. So you do that and then put the lid like this, not all the way on because you want the steam to be able to come out. And you want to fix your lid like that. If you're working with a regular pot, you know how to just tilt the lid a little bit so the steam can escape. And let that go for 30 minutes. I don't know if you can see over there, but I got homemade pita bread going. And that's what we're gonna have with the stew tonight for dinner. Okay, I let this actually go for 40 minutes. And now it's time to put the kale in. Just gonna dump that in like so. And stir it in. I can't remember the whole name because it's long, but it's a coconut milk sweet potato. Just look in the description. Look in the description. But here it is. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. Plant-based. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't too long. Because you know, I just like to make the food and get it out to you. And I hope you guys have a nice evening. Because what's today? I don't know what today is. I've been in the house so long, I don't know what day it is. So, have a nice evening.